In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a view in Airtable, a process that will take about 5 minutes. Airtable is known for its versatility and ease of use, allowing anyone to organize and manage information effectively. So let's dive in and get you started on creating a customized view. First things first, let's open the Airtable website. You can do this by entering airtable.com into your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll see options to either create an account or log into an existing one. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's quick and you'll get access to a wide array of organizational tools. If you already have one, simply log in using your credentials. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open your Airtable base and table. Think of a base as a project or a collection, and within it, you have tables that might contain anything from inventory lists to project timelines. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available in your table. With your base and table open, locate the Create New button. This is your gateway to setting up a new view, and you'll find it typically placed to the right near the existing views. When you're ready, click on it. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose the type of view you want to create. Airtable offers several view types such as grid, calendar, Kanban, and gallery. Each type offers a unique way to visualize your data, so consider what best suits your project needs. For example, a calendar view is perfect for project deadlines, while a Kanban view works well for task management. Once you've chosen a view type, it's important to give your view a meaningful name. This step isn't just for organization. It also makes it easy to identify what the view represents at a glance. Something descriptive like Q1 marketing timeline or inventory overview can make a huge difference. With the name in place, click on the Create New View button. Your view is now taking shape, but there are still some finishing touches to be done. This next stage is all about customizing the view to fit your specific needs. You can filter and sort data, adjust visibility settings, and even apply color coding to make data stand out. Take some time to explore these options and tailor the view to work exactly how you want it. Finally, once you are satisfied with the customization, be sure to save your newly added view. This is crucial as it ensures all your settings and adjustments are preserved. Now, you'll have a tailored view ready to enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create efficient and effective views in Airtable. Remember, creating views can significantly streamline your workflow, so don't hesitate to experiment with the variety of options available until you find what works best for you.